Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on System Navigation, which is at the top of the list, and as you can see here we've got the option we're looking for. Before we will set the gestures, I just wanted to draw your attention to more settings which are connected with the 3-button navigation. So after tapping on this option, you can customize it. So for example, reorder back button and recents and manage voice assistant. Let me go back and let's finally set the gestures. So let's tap on this option at the top. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we do not have actually anything. So they will disappear, and from now on we can use the gestures. You can go through the gesture tutorial, however, I'll show you how to use them in a second. We've got also more settings to customize, so we can change the back sensitivity and voice assistant. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you really need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so now the tutorial. If you want to get back to the previous page, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger. It works the same from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that your gesture will be quite sharp and short and fast, just like that. That's all you need to get back to the home page. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so also from the bottom to the center, however, make it longer, elongate it right here, just like that. And after releasing the finger here, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.